Now we're going to start drawing a parrot. We want red. For this parrot, we're going to do red. We're going to get a red pencil. And now we're going to look. We're going to do like a little red hill for our parrot's head. Now we can get yellow. Now we're going to get a yellow pen and do his beak. Okay, we put our yellow back. Now we're going to get blue or blue pencil. Or blue pencil. We're going to get our yellow pencil again to draw over here. Over here. And now we're going to draw green. We're going to get a green pencil. We're going to draw green. Well done. And now we're going to get our orange and do boop, 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 boop. That's how we're going to do it. And now we can get our orange again. We're going to get a red again. And we're going to make a line. Now we're going to get black. We're going to do now let's do purple. Blue. We're going to get green now. Come on, parrots are really colourful, aren't they? And they're very clever pets you can have. We're going to have yellow now. Yes, well done everybody. Now we're going to do purple. Inside, in the middle. If you say something and the parrot hears it, like hello, like this, hello, hello. That's how it goes. I can't wait till we get finished because when I say like and subscribe, he'll say that and he'll maybe and that's going to do so. When I can't wait until then. We're done with. Now let's try yellow for his beak. Now red. Well done. We're done with our parrot. Now we need its tail. Its tail and we need its wing. Which one shall we do first? Maybe its tail. Let's see if we get red. Then we're going to do orange. So, going to yellow. They're like the mountains, but sharp ones. Now green. This parrot looks so amazing. I bet yours does too. It's okay if you're still colouring it. But if you're not, you're doing very well. Anyway, you're still good at it so well. Blue, purple. Ooh, so we do a bit. And now pink. Pink. Now let's colour it. Colour. Oh, this is a ginormous tail. This is a ginormous tail. Well done if you did it smaller. It's okay if you didn't, because I'm directing this. Now we're going to do blue. Now purple if we have any. Where's purple? We have to call. There is purple. Silly me. If you already spotted your purple, well then because I put that in the job. Look out. Okay, that's right. Got it. My pajamas. Do what? For the week. Orange for the wing. Yellow for the wing. Green for the wing. Let's see, blue for the wing. And purple for the wing. And my favourite colour, pink. Now, what is your favourite colour for the rainbow? You must be wondering why we have one eye and one wing. It's because the other eye and the other wing are at the other side of his body. Well, no, ready with our powers. Ready for our powers. Okay, let's take a look at him. Okay, let's take a look at him. Okay, we stop copying me for a second. We stop. There you go. Okay. My recording. Yeah. We're done.